For years, conventional nuts and bolts were the accepted method of fastening. As needs and technology progressed, so did fastening methods and designs. Specialized lock nuts, washers, and stoverized nuts were later introduced. Then, in the 1940s, the first Huck bolts were introduced. These original Huck bolts used a swaging action for installation, ending with a sharp pintail break. Fast forward to today. The BobTail system was developed, including engineered fasteners and ergonomic tooling. This system represents the most advanced fastening technology to date, offering optimal vibration-resistant performance and reliability. BobTail offers safe, quiet, swaged-on installation technology in a unique pintail-less design. This direct tension, swaged method of installation eliminates many of the drawbacks associated with conventional fasteners. Advanced BobTail installation tooling includes the swage forward line of tools. These tools are lighter and more compact than conventional installation tooling, so they're easier to use in difficult to reach installations. With BobTail fasteners, there's no shock and sharp noise of pintails snapping off, no pintail waste, and no corrosion-prone pintail break-off surface. A quick, easy visual inspection is all that's needed to confirm a secure installation. This low-impact installation virtually eliminates the possibility of hearing damage and repetitive stress syndrome in installation personnel.
Well, if you're used to using torque tools and you start using a swage forward tool instead of a torque tool, you're going to see reduced vibration, you're going to see a decrease in noise level, you're going to see a much faster installation of superior fastening product. The difference to the operator is going to be huge. They're just used to going and now they're just going like this. It's a huge difference.
This reduced shock load, coupled with the BobTail tooling system's proprietary new nosepiece puller design, extends tool life and requires less maintenance. In fact, BobTail tooling comes with a limited lifetime guarantee. The BobTail system also provides for a fast and accurate installation with very little training required.
Learning to use the BobTail system is really quite simple. I mean, the operator, once they're shown that they can literally do it in a minute or so, and you just show them how to do it. They put it on the end of the fastener, they pull the trigger, they let the trigger go, and that's it.
The advanced design even allows for fastener removal with a collar cutter tool. While it's easy to install, the BobTail fastener still delivers the industry standard in vibration resistance, as indicated by this Yonkers test. Nose pieces are even more durable than on previous models. Today's nose pieces have far fewer components to maintain and replace, and feature a new puller design. BobTail tooling is designed and manufactured at the Alcoa Fastening Systems facility in Kingston, New York. This modern 140,000 square foot facility overlooking the Hudson River is home to our industrial and aerospace tooling manufacturing and is staffed by a team of skilled technicians who take pride in delivering the industry standard in Huck bolt tooling. It's no wonder, because Alcoa Fastening Systems has been manufacturing tooling here for more than 30 years. The BobTail Fastening System, advanced fasteners and installation tooling that truly represent the new fastening revolution.
Arconic Fastening Systems, innovation engineered.